Hi, my name is Krzysztof Barwinski, and welcome to a quick showcase of some of the animation implementation work I did for Nobody Wants to Die. All animations are made with Extens motion capture, which I helped to retarget, hunt, improve, clean up, implement, made changes that were required by designers, and checked if they work and are easy for designers to implement. What you see here is a test level for an asset called Hoover that contains 3 state machines meshed together. Why there are 3 state machines, you may ask, and well, it is because first is for Hoover itself, which is a copy of the character state machine with own animations like opening doors, etc. Character state machine which contains movement within a Hoover and animations that correspond to the places within a Hoover, and last, state machine Hoover positions. State machine which is a skeleton that I'm using as a root motion for a character, thanks to which I do not need to think about collisions, as they do not matter in this scenario, and characters' positions are constant and will always be in the same place, making it a pretty bulletproof system. Hoover Blueprint contains all the animations ready for designer to access and play within the level they were designed for. I am able to access them just by a quickie custom event that I made on the test level print, which plays selected animation just by writing a code when you play on the test level. Quick notice, this is a test level and animations are already set up just like designers wanted them. So you might see some jumps in camera and not perfect blends, as they might have different idle stages. So if you want to enter the Hoover, we will write a command which allows us to access the Hoover and sit inside. See Hoover allow entry. Let's have a bottle of whiskey, and as you will notice that we are currently will be locked in animation idle, from which we will write another code that will take us out of it. And to see working of the root motion, let's restart and start from the mask, and let's come back to inside of the car. Quick explanation to how accessing animation work, making quick custom event that I targeting selected character and its body within the quit space, place selected player animation settings, in short PA, that contains animation montage for a character and all assets that are being used within this animation, with other settings that are helpful for designer like head movement, changes, etc. If animation montage contains looping idles after first part and of animation is finished by another code while playing and able to access another section part of that montage. Uber was not the only form of implementation of animation I had to prepare for a designer here. It's one of many interactions I made. Door interaction, that is a blueprint which contains PA with a door, and character animation where player is exiting the room. Other forms of implementation I did was, for example, small blend spaces for, as example here, wheelchair user, not a basic movement, left, right, front, back. What you saw here is free of many other interactions and work I have done for Nobody Wants to Die. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Have a great day.